9 interesting facts about coffee. 1. The Netherlands consume the most coffee. According to a 2020 study, the Netherlands were said to consume the most coffee per capita with a whopping 8.3 kilograms. 2. Coffee beans aren't beans. Contrary to the name, a coffee bean isn't actually a bean. Rather, it's the pit or seed that's found inside the coffee cherry. The bean is removed from the fruit as part of the harvest process. 3. There's a coffee made from poo. Originating from Indonesia, the Kopi Luwak is one of the most sought-after coffees in the world. It's produced with the help of the adorable palm civet who eat the coffee cherries and then pass the beans. 4. Why people confuse espresso and expresso. The correct pronunciation of espresso is an age-old argument that coffee enthusiasts have been having for years. But as it turns out, those who call it an espresso aren't entirely in the wrong. The Italian term espresso means expressed or pressed out. This is because espressos are made by forcing very hot water under high pressure through finely ground coffee beans. So, while the correct pronunciation is espresso, you can see where people are coming from. 5. The world's largest cup of coffee was over 20,000 liters. As of June 15, 2019, the largest cup of coffee ever made contained a whopping 22,739.14 liters and was recorded in the Guinness Book of World Records. 6. People have tried to ban coffee. In its early years, there were plenty of different groups across the world that tried to ban our favorite beverage. Typically, it was because of coffee's stimulating effect or the particular crowd it attracted. Coffee houses fast became a spot for free thinkers to discuss their ideas. One particular instance was in Mecca all the way back in 1511, where the governor feared coffee might unite his opposition. 7. Coffee is one of the most consumed drinks in the world. This isn't all that surprising, is it? Alongside water and tea, coffee is one of the most popular drinks worldwide, with over 400 billion cups of it being consumed each year. 8. Coffee was discovered by a goat herder. All the way back in the 1500s, it was said that a goat herder in Ethiopia discovered coffee after observing strange behavior in his goats. He noticed that after they ate coffee cherries, they suddenly had a lot of energy and were unable to sleep at night. He shared his findings with local monks who made their own drinks from the coffee beans, and the rest, as they say, is history. 9. Coffee helps you live longer. Thanks to it being jam-packed with antioxidants, coffee remains one of the healthiest beverages in the world. Thank you for watching, and also subscribe to our channel.